Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today's workout is something a little bit different. Me trying to run the 6-minute mile. I've been doing this for years and years now, and this year it's December 31st, guys. It's the last day of 2022, and I'm going to give it a shot. Training has been pretty much non-existent this year. I've been injured. I'm still injured. I tried training for this about a month ago, but my knee was hurting, so I kind of gave it a stop. I always been saying that you're better off showing up to the start line a little bit undertrained rather than injured. Well, today I'm a little bit of both. My knee is doing okay today. It'll start hurting when I start running. So let's get going, guys. Let me plug this treadmill in. So join me, guys. I'm going to go warm up. We'll come back at the beginning of the 6-minute mile. Attempt, at least. I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting me at Fit After 50, guys. Thank you for your support. Have a wonderful new year, and I'll see you guys in 2023 on Monday morning. Gonna get started in a few seconds. As you guys can tell, I'm warmed up. I'm nice and sweaty. Judging by that warm up, this is not going to be easy, however. So there's gonna be no music for me playing right now. Generally, I run with music in the workout room over here, but due to YouTube copyright laws, I'm not gonna have that playing. I also run shirtless, but I like to keep this rated G, PG maybe, if I do cuss once in a while. So you guys should be able to see my watch. I'm going to reset it. We're gonna run a mile. I'm going to start off probably on a pretty full run, give myself a little bit of a break. I know some of you purists will say, hey Paul, you're not at the track. This doesn't really count. Well, these days, being almost 52 years old, my knee killing me. I need a treadmill. I plug the treadmill into a separate outlet so it doesn't blow a circuit breaker, separate from everything else in this room. So we should be ready to go. Like I said, I'm not going to talk much during this. Just listen to the music, enjoy it, come back 5.5 minutes into it and see how I'm doing if you want to skip through it. This is me, my personal thing, something I've been doing for years. It's something I plan to continue, and hopefully next year the knee will recover and hold on much better. Having said all that, guys, you see the clock. I'm going to take my glasses off as soon as I see the watch going, and then we'll get going. So I'm going to set this to 10 miles an hour. I'm going by the Garmin speedometer, however. That seems to be way more accurate. Hopefully this microphone doesn't fall off. If anything does, I'm not stopping, and I'll see you guys in about 6 minutes. Put my glasses back on because I can't see what I'm doing. How fast am I running here? 6:28 pace. We'll pick it up soon. For now, just bear with me. 6:25, 6:24. All right. And about 200 meters in. Feel pretty good. Let's get this done. Come on, guys, you gotta cheer me on. 6:20 pace. About a quarter of a mile through, I'm gonna pick it up a little bit and then maintain that pace for the next half mile. Whew. My knee holds up, guys. I can grind through this. Let's keep going. I'm not sure if you can hear me with the treadmill noise, but it is what it is. All right, 0.2 of a mile done. 6:15 pace, a little behind schedule, but I feel confident that we can pick it up a little bit. All right, here we go. Now we're running. All right, now I gotta maintain this for the next half mile, and then we just grind it out, guys. All right, here we go. Whew. I guess I'm keeping my glasses on because I can't see my watch without the glasses. I don't care if I run 15:5, 59, 59. It's all good. 6, dropping down to 6:11 pace so far for this mile attempt. 6:10, so we're heading in the right direction. My knee brace is slipping off. Not a big deal. Whew. 6:09 pace. We'll pick it up a little bit. Right now, just trying to relax, stay comfortable. My hands are in the relaxed position. Thumbs up like usual. I look more like a linebacker when I run, not a runner, right? Because I'm not a really good runner. All right, guys, 6:08 pace. Closing in on the half mile. Hope this is recording. If it's not, it isn't. What can I say? I'm not doing it again this year. All right, there we go, 0.47. Definitely close to the half mile now. All right, running 6:04 pace at the half mile point. Keep this up for another lap around the track, and then we bring it up a little bit and hang on for dear life. That's the plan for this 1 mile attempt. Here we go. Keep on running, Paul. Keep on running. So guys, at the end, we're already done, so I have to remind you, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see home workouts, they're right here on this channel, every Monday, every Thursday, for 3.5 years now. Whew. 6:02 pace, we're right on schedule. 0.6 of a mile done. Whew. 0.67. We're closing in on 1 lap left. We're gonna open it up a little bit more. I wanna be sure I am under 6 minutes. I'm at 6:01 pace right now. I'm gonna have to speed up just a little bit. Come on. All right, guys, here we go. 6 minute pace, 1/4 mile left. Let's bring it up a little. No big deal. Just move like spectacle. Guys, if you're watching this, have a happy new year. Make sure you stay healthy and fit and wonderful and happy. And I'll see you guys. 0.8 of a mile left. Come on. 300. Straightaway, curve it, and a straightaway. We got it. Keep going, Paul. Keep going. All right, speed up just a little bit. Just a notch. Just a notch. A notch more. 11 miles. Let's go. Hang on. 200 left. Sprint it out towards the end. Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. Stay with me. I don't know who I'm talking to anymore. Come on. Come on, keep going, keep going. Can't see the clock, I think it's 0.9. Less than 200 left. And there it is. Whew. As you guys saw, I can see the clock very well. Whew. Here it is. Another year done. Let me walk it off a little bit. Come on. All right, what was that? 5:54, I believe. Hey, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna cool down. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. This was my, I think, 20th or so consecutive sub 6 minute mile. So I started this when I was about in my lower 30s, 31, 32, 33. I am going to be 52 in June. This year, because of this knee, has been done with basically virtually no training as opposed to my other years. Last year was some training, but I do have a huge base of consistency built into my workouts. I've been a triathlete for better part of 20 years, and I've been working out for just about that long, so I didn't do very much prior to that. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. As I said during the run, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. There's 350 workouts on this channel, guys. Check them out. They're all filmed right here in this basement. buy me the HIIT workouts, some weight workouts, all the stuff that you have equipment for at your house. And if you don't, there's plenty of workouts that are equipment free. Anyway, guys, have a happy new year. Have a wonderful 2023. I will see you guys next year. And as always, it's gonna be a new workout on Monday. You guys have a wonderful day, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you later.